Hello, my lovely students. Once again in speaking session, it's our 14th day of English speaking challenge. Before the discussion, we have to recall all our lectures, which we will talk about how you can improve your speaking skill and what kind of strategies, techniques you can use when you're trying to speak with someone. So in last lectures we talk about different aspects, factors that can help you for improving or betterment, particularly in English language. If you think that I can speak well, I can present myself, I can speak like a native speaker, then you have to work on it. If you think that I will listen afterward, I can speak, then you can do this, but instruction, conditions and ideas behind that, you have to work on it. If you will not work on it, then it's very tough to speak with anybody. Most of the people think that I can speak well, I can present myself, I can speak like a native speaker, my accent can be in an American way, my accent can be in a British way. It can be, but instructions, condition behind that, you have to work on it. If you think that I can do this, then you can do this, but if you ignore all the things regarding improving yourself, then it's very hard task, and it's not an easy task. All the time most of the students just listen in English, but when they're trying to speak in English, then it's very hard thing for them. But most of the students, they ask questions from the native speakers how we can speak in a better way. All the time they give suggestions, they give lectures, even then they are charging so many fees for giving some kind of instruction. But if we will take instruction in a free way, in a free method, then I think it's a sensible thing. But if you will pay afterward, you have to adopt the same strategy, same techniques, same formula, then I think this method, this formula, it is suitable for you. Most of the students contacts with native speakers of English, they give some kind of suggestion as well. They are giving some kind of lectures on daily basis. Afterward they give some kind of lesson. You have to work on it, you have to listen, you have to talk with others. Same the instruction you can receive from YouTube and other platform as a free coordinator for you. But the main condition, the problem is that we don't like to take anything in free of cost. We wanted to pay, we wanted to pay for our betterment, we wanted to improve ourselves, and we think that if we will pay, then we can improve ourselves. It's our wrong perception, it's our wrong idea, it's our wrong thinking all the time we are carrying in our mind. But according to me, according to my experience, according to my learning, according to my listening, according to my watching lectures, videos, movies, all the things I take from social media, I wanted to indulge myself as a free participant in any stage of my life. Like if anybody tell me, anybody ask me, can you improve yourself, can you speak in a better way, if you will pay, then you can do this, then you can improve yourself, then I will not choose this kind of path for improving myself. I try to indulge myself those people, those guys, they are giving suggestions, instructions, and they are giving some solid ideas. You have to work on it. You should prefer to your work, you should prefer to your hard work, you should prefer to your efforts. Don't try to take anything in your life as a free of cost. If you will take anything free of cost, then I think it will be temporary, it will be not permanent. But if you will put yourself, if you will spend a lot of time on it, I think it will be go along with you, not only for your family but also it's helpful for your next generation. So all the time in my videos, in my lectures, I am trying to give some kind of new ideas, new information for everybody. Most of the people think that English is very tough, we can't speak, it's not our mother tongue. So this concept, if you will carry on all the time in your mind, then it's a it's a concept you are in the mind, it will be like this. But if you think that it's very easy, I can do this, I can be better, I can get advanced level, I can get advanced vocabulary in my mind, then you can do this. But don't focus on your awkward things, don't focus on the others, don't be focused on criticism, just try to put yourself. If you can put yourself, if you can tackle, if you can think I can be better, I can handle, I can tackle all the difficult situation, then you can do this. But it's necessary for you, you have to work on it. If I talk about myself, if I will try to improve myself, then I have to work on it. If I will work on it, then one day I will be in the position of to speak any stage of life. Might be from the beginning I will not be according to the expectations of the audience as well as the people they are listening me, but if I will try again and again, I will learn new things on daily basis, I will learn new words for my memory as well as for my speaking, then I think one day I will be able to speak in a balanced way or in a good way. But if I will give up, I will overthinker about my perception, my ideas about English, then I will think again and again, then and it will be tough for me. So it's our 14-day of English language, and it's our 30-day challenge in which we are talking about different aspects. Today just we highlights the points that is coming in your mind in a very sharp way, and you wanted to neglect it. But if you will keep in mind, if you will work on it, if you try again and again your weak point, then it will be easy for you to prove yourself.